Good morning, Fit Kabila. I am filming this in the morning, Sunday morning IST to be precise. In today's fitness talk, I am going to answer a burning question. This question was asked by Vinay and I will read it out first. I got tummy during these lockdown days. Now I'm struggling to get it shrunk. He further adds that he is working out but doesn't see much change, and many of his friends also have the similar issue. Ooh. So let's break it down and understand why it is happening, and then I will give you 5-step plan to get rid of that sticky fat. Before we start, this video assumes that you have watched the videos I made on slowing metabolism, stress and release of sugar, and prolonged sitting and gluteal amnesia. If you haven't, no issue. The links are in description. First watch those videos and then come back to this video. Now let's talk about that tummy. We know that more muscles we have, the better is our metabolism, as muscles require lot more fuel even at rest. We also know that there are two main enemies of our muscles: inactivity and stress. Inactivity signals our body that these energy expensive, ever hungry tissues aren't needed. Shed them. We call it use it or lose it. Stress has the same effect. Whenever you are stressed due to any reason, the body starts storing fat and it starts losing muscle. It's a protective mechanism of our body and a very useful one. You heard it right, fat storage is extremely useful, but we will talk about it some other day. Let's stay focused on getting rid of it today. Okay. Now the restriction on the movement and anxieties that we are facing during the pandemic is like a double whammy, isn't it? If you start storing fat, and if you are a man, most of it will be concentrated around the midsection. And if you're a woman, you will see your arms, chest, thighs and bit of tummy also expanding. That's the role gender plays in fat storage. It's natural, it's normal. That's how the fat gets stored. Second important factor is cortisol and other stress hormones. For both men and women, if the fat gain is mainly due to stress hormones and degrading metabolism, it will manifest around midsection. We call it apple-shaped body, and it's a classic sign of metabolic dysfunction. Now that we know the problem, the solution is easy to find and it is easier than you thought. For 5 steps. The first one, channel the stress. Instead of looking at stress as a problem, look at it as a blessing in disguise. Switching on a fight or flight response is a good thing if you can use it. Your body is preparing for an intense physical activity. You are all pumped up, so get a workout done, which is otherwise very difficult to find motivation for, right? You have plenty of short workouts on this channel. Every time you feel a bit anxious, you feel your heartbeat increasing, sweat it out. It doesn't have to be a long and intense bout of exercise. Just a quick climb up and down the staircase, 30 to 40 seconds of just jumping jacks, few push-ups, brisk walking, anything would do. This way you can also boost your daily activity level. As a result, the metabolism also goes high. A big win. Second thing, build muscles. I'm going to start by saying any exercise is better than no exercise. But if you want something potent for burning that sticky fat around the midsection, don't just do cardio exercises like running, jogging, walking, Zumba. Okay, don't get me wrong. Cardio exercises are important for improving heart, lung circulation and very essential to incorporate them. But we are talking about burning sticky belly fat, and strength training is crucial here. Strength and conditioning exercises burn fat like an Olympic flame, an intense and prolonged burn, whereas cardio exercises burn like a matchstick, a short duration, moderate impact. Include strength and conditioning workouts to your regime. You will be surprised with the effects. There are plenty of strength and conditioning workouts here on this channel. Other workout options would be Fit Kabila Tone, Strong Nation, TRX, Animal Flow, Viper, so many. And these are actually more effective than your gym equipments and dumbbells, by the way. Third point, okay, understood. Muscles, we have to work on muscles. But which muscles? This is where everyone goes wrong. Don't just do crunches and try to build your abs. If you want your front to look amazing, pay attention to what is behind. Glutes, lats and triceps. Oh my god, these are such huge muscles. They play so much role, not just in your metabolism but also to keep you upright, so that your abs have to work throughout the day, and it is like doing crunches throughout the day, which obviously is going to flatten your stomach. Okay, now the fourth important point, and I really don't understand why you guys don't pay attention to it. Why do you ignore it? This is such a simple thing to do, the easiest thing to do, guys. Sleep your way to fitness. Seriously, 7 hours of continuous sleep is all you need, and it is amazingly effective. Please sleep. I never thought that I will have to convince people just to sleep. Okay, so I think I made my point very clear. Fifth important thing, obviously about diet, but we talked about it in lot of details last time. Just adding 2 more tips. Metabolism and hunger is flexible. If you are doing a lot of activity throughout the day, if you have like broken down your muscles, you will need a lot of food. On the contrary, if you are not being very active in a day, then you don't need that much food. So if you are not being very active in this lockdown, then don't eat the same way you used to eat before the lockdown. Your energy needs definitely have reduced a bit, so watch out. Trust your hunger. If you're not hungry, don't stuff yourself up. Second important point, do not go on any restrictive diet, especially calorie restricted diet, or a diet where you just give up one macronutrient like no fat or no carbohydrate. It is not going to help, because if you do that, your muscles break down even faster and your metabolism reduces significantly. Even if you lose few kilos, and that's what you see on the weighing scale in a short period of time, this weight loss is mainly due to breakdown of muscles or losing water from your body. Secondly, mostly the weight loss will happen from the extremities, so top and bottom will shrink and the midsection remains as it is. Face palm. So I hope this was very useful to you, and start incorporating these 5 steps. Tell me how it is going. If you have any questions, do let me know in comments. If you need any personal counseling or assistance, you can DM me on Instagram. And now, the most awkward part. This makes me so awkward, but I'm going to give it a shot. Stay with me. Guys, if you love this channel and the content, show it by liking, sharing and subscribing to it. Go crazy. I will see you tomorrow. Yes, your workout upgrade is on track. It will be coming to you tomorrow, Monday. I will see you then. Bye bye.